Sajida's kitchen. Hope you all are watching my videos. For those who have not subscribed me yet, please do click on the subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I release my new recipes, you can watch them. So today I am going to show you a very delicious, healthy and a quick dessert recipe which is known as fruit custard. Where I have used lots of fruits, dry fruits, milk, which will help to maintain the nutritional value required for our body. So let's get started. Ingredients required to prepare fruit custard are sugar, 1 bowl of sugar, custard powder, you can take any custard powder, cardamom powder and 500 ml of milk. So friends, isn't this looking colorful and beautiful? The fruit ingredients required to prepare the fruit custard are, so you can take seasonal fruits, any of your choice. Here I have taken apple, 1 bowl of apple, pomegranate, banana, some cashews in the dry fruit and grapes. As per your taste, you can just chop the grapes half and the banana like this. Okay, let's start preparing the custard. So first I have taken a vessel and now I am going to add the milk to this. Add some milk to the custard powder and mix it. And just mix this. See that there are no lumps. Now the milk is boiled. Let the milk boil for 5 minutes. It has to slightly condense, and then after that we'll add the sugar to it. Now the milk is condensed. I'm going to add the sugar to this. Just add the dissolved custard powder as per the thickness you want for your fruit custard. So I want a flowing consistency. So you can see this. Now cook the custard for 5 minutes or more. While the custard is cooking, keep on stirring so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. Now you can see the custard is cooked completely and it is just into the flowing consistency. Now we will off the gas and let the custard cool. Once the custard is cooled, place it into the refrigerator. So after cooling, the custard has become thick. Like, I'm going to take a beater and just so friends, this is a beautiful view of the fruits which I have placed it like this, and I like to have the custard like this. is ready. So this is my fruit custard. So if you want to taste this, please do try it home and let me know in my comment section how did it taste. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Keep watching. Thank you.